When pondering about your identity, what's the first thing that strikes you? You might think of your name, but that's just a fragment of your essence. There's much more to you than a mere name. So, what truly defines you? Often, people's responses don't fully encompass who they are. Interestingly, staying silent might actually put you closer to the answer. Here's why. We typically define ourselves by our thoughts, beliefs, and life experiences. Imagine being asked to describe yourself. You'd probably mention your age, hometown, or profession. But remember, you're more than these superficial identifiers. You are not solely your job or the hardships you've faced. These aspects are fluid, whereas your core self remains constant and unchanging. To understand your true self better, consider a situation where you feel nervous. Anxiety often stems from fear of future events. Your mind can create various scenarios, leaving you feeling trapped and unable to be your true self. But consider this critical point. Who is observing this anxiety? It's you. You are the observer of your anxiety, not the anxiety itself. Throughout life, we face trials, pain, and distress. These could be worries about what lies ahead, excessive thinking, or everyday stress. However, an essential realization can alter how you view and handle these obstacles. Think of it this way: the one acknowledging the pain is distinct from the one experiencing it. Essentially, you have two selves. One endures the hardship, while the other observes and comprehends it. This insight helps you distance yourself from your troubles, offering a more detached, objective viewpoint. Consider the habit of overthinking. When you find yourself lost in a whirlwind of thoughts, ask, who is noticing these thoughts? This question helps shift your focus from being caught in the thought process to observing it. It's a step back to view the larger picture. Your true essence isn't just a passive observer, it's a resilient and adaptable core. In the face of life's ups and downs, this core remains steady. It's like the calm center in the midst of a storm. When you connect with this inner strength, you realize that while situations may fluctuate, your inner self retains its integrity. This realization can be liberating. It allows you to navigate life with a sense of peace and confidence, knowing that whatever happens, your true self remains untouched. It's a journey of self-discovery, where you learn that you are not your experiences, but the one who lives through them and grows stronger. Moreover, embracing your inner self helps in fostering authentic connections with others. When you understand yourself beyond superficial labels, you begin to appreciate others for their true selves as well. This leads to more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Reflecting on dreams. Always reflect on your dreams and aspirations. They are not just fleeting desires, but reflections of your deepest self. Pursuing these dreams is not just about achieving goals, but about expressing and fulfilling your true nature. Consider your moments of joy and sorrow. These emotions are transient, yet they offer profound insights into your inner world. By observing them without judgment, you can learn much about your true self and how it responds to the world around you. By embracing this journey, you not only live a life that's true to yourself, but also inspire those around you to embark on their own paths of self-discovery. This shared journey of understanding and growth enriches not just individual lives, but the fabric of our collective human experience. Recognize that your essence transcends any pain or struggle you face. You are more than a mere individual. You're part of something vast and deeply significant. This realization has the power to alter the way you experience life. It's akin to uncovering an inner strength you never knew you had. You'll discover that you have the power to shape your reality. Still can't trust this? Take our Luminara as an example. We started our channel and grew it to 76,000 subscribers from scratch. All this happened only when we trusted our inner selves and worked for it. This is also because of the massive support from you all. But we are not stopping here. Your overwhelming support is what motivates us on working towards the 100K mark. So hit the red button and help us grow sooner. Thanks. When you start to rediscover feelings of love, peace, joy, and confidence, even amidst challenges, you're on the verge of reconnecting with your authentic self. Pause for a moment and become aware of your presence. This awareness doesn't require effort. It's always there, a steady undercurrent in the backdrop of your mind, unaffected by the ebb and flow of thoughts. Remember, you are aware of these thoughts too. This implies that you aren't merely a person observing another, you are the very essence of awareness. Embracing this brings you closer to your inner being, offering a deeper understanding of your true identity. You are not just an ordinary being, you embody something much more profound and extraordinary. Remember that. Attention and awareness. Now turn your attention to the room's surrounding sounds. Rather than critiquing or becoming preoccupied with your thoughts about these sounds, allow yourself to be completely absorbed in the act of listening. Tune into the environment and its unique auditory landscape. After you've connected with these sounds and acknowledged your surroundings, let's go one step further. Observe your own state of consciousness. Notice how you are actively listening and how you are aware of this act of listening. This heightened state of self-awareness, being conscious of your own consciousness, brings a deeper understanding and connection to the moment and to your inner self. This method is a great way to connect with your inner self and really enjoy the here and now. Try to focus less on specific things that are happening and more on being aware of your surroundings. Remember, you can't completely understand this just by thinking about it, so try not to overthink. Your thoughts don't define who you are. It's more about realizing something and then paying attention to how it feels to be aware. Spend time in this state of awareness. If you start thinking too much, gently remind yourself to focus on just being aware. This technique lets you tap into a deeper, more meaningful part of who you are. When things get tough, it helps to ask yourself, who's noticing all this? But don't try to answer with your thoughts. Instead, dive deep into being aware of your awareness. This is the real you, your true self. It's important to remember that your life story, your past, or any mistakes don't define you. At your core, you're just pure awareness. Any problems you have are only there because you're aware of them. They don't really say anything about who you are deep down. Your true nature stays the same no matter what's going on around you because you're just watching everything happen. This self-awareness practice doesn't make you feel disconnected or distant. It's more about getting back to your true nature, which is full of love, peace, happiness, and confidence. By understanding that you're the one watching everything in your life, you can handle good and bad times better. Knowing your thoughts, paying attention to your own thoughts and emotions can greatly enhance your sense of well-being. This process reveals that your true identity isn't defined by pain or hardship. As you grow in awareness, you'll find it easier to release limiting beliefs and obstacles in your life. Think of yourself not just as an ordinary individual, but as a living embodiment of life's essence. Within you lies a remarkable power. It's somewhat elusive, yet this power has the potential to profoundly impact your existence. Your current beliefs aren't permanent, you have the ability to evolve them. Your life's narrative is yours to rewrite. Feelings of sadness or anxiety are not your defining traits. Recognizing and understanding them can help you react in new, healthier ways. This journey inward also helps you discover talents and skills you were previously unaware of. As you continue to practice mindfulness, these hidden gifts may emerge, enhancing both your life and the lives of those around you. As your awareness increases, so does the depth of your relationships, your empathy, and your ability to be fully present in each moment. This journey isn't solely about personal development, it's about contributing to a more empathetic and interconnected society. Understanding yourself better equips you to handle life's challenges more effectively. You'll come to realize that you possess the ability to steer your own life. This profound realization grants you the power to embrace love, peace, joy, and confidence. So during challenging times, focus on your thoughts and self-awareness. If asked, "Who are you?" how would you respond? This simple act of self-reflection can lead to significant improvements in your life. Taking time to think about what you feel and think can really help you feel better. This helps you understand that being sad or upset doesn't define you. When you're more aware of your thoughts, it's easier to stop believing things that limit you and stop you from moving forward. Remember, you're more than just a person. You're alive and full of life. There's a strong force inside you. It's hard to put into words, but this force can change your life a lot. Your beliefs now don't have to stay the same forever. You can write a new story for your life. And those bad or worried feelings don't make up who you are. You can notice them and act differently. Learning about yourself also helps you connect better with people. By knowing yourself more, you can understand and care for people more. As you learn more about yourself, your friendships get stronger, you care more about others, and you're more there in each moment. This isn't just about making yourself better, it's about making the world a more caring and connected place. When you really know yourself, you're better at dealing with tough times. You realize that you can control your life. This important truth helps you take charge and find real love, peace, happiness, and confidence. Found our video helpful? Please share and leave your thoughts below.